Ho ho ho! Merry after Christmas. I just can't. How's everybody doing today? Well, today we're gonna be playing Survive Disasters 2, because I looked at the view count and the like count on the previous Survive Disasters. Y'all really seem to like it, so I'm gonna play it here today again. See how this goes. Play. How do I get to keep? Oh shoot! What happened? How do I get to keep my gravity coil? I can't keep my region coil and all of that. I don't even know what's happening. I'm taking the this and the Game Master's sword. Alright? Let's do it. Got the Game Master sword. We are here today. We're gonna be playing it. I was thinking of playing a hobby today, but it was still Christmas themed. I don't need anything Christmas themed right now. Oh god. Time bombs. They're ticking time bombs. Good, they're at least ticking. They don't just blow up. Oh lord. I'm not gonna be at my mom's house these next few days. Oh shoot. Oh, not next few days, till January the 7th, which January 7th is honestly just gonna be my anniversary video for gaming. And so we got 2 free days where it's just like little vlogs. Oh shoot. So we got January 1st, 2020. We have the Happy 2020 video. That's already been planned. I didn't make it yet, but I already know it's gonna be planned. The next one will be 1 year anniversary with gaming. I mean, not 1 year, 3 year anniversary with gaming. That's gonna be January the 7th. So get ready for that. Those are the only 2 scheduled videos. The rest are just gonna be out of the ordinary. Don't know what's gonna happen. Shoot. How did I die? I forgot. I just died. Alright. So we got a giant nuke. He's still got a Christmas hat on. But we need to get out this Christmas update. It's gonna happen this week anyway, so what's the point? Wipeout. What wipeout do we have? Alright. I got a gaming chair, guys, so I don't know. I think I should do more game. You think I should do Dana Life of Vulcan again? No, that'd be live stream, so mess up with the schedule. No. Why am I always dying? I can't survive no more. I'm always dying. I used to survive every disaster, and now what the heck happened to me? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wipe out. We're doing good. Oh, we made it. Oh, shoot. Right next is Estelle. And, oh, what is it? Spiked walls. Oh, shoot. Which way is it coming from? Yep. Mother of God. Alright, so do we live? So this is the middle of the map, I'm assuming. This is the middle of the map. I think we're wide above the, no, we're not. Spot thing, so we're here. Why is it not in the middle? Wacky warehouse, let's do it. Oh, I think when I press close, it takes off my vote. I should keep it on then. But, too late, too late. I'm taking wacky warehouse. Taking wacky warehouse. Alright. What is it gonna be? Wacky warehouse? Yes, it is. Okay, now I gotta change my Game Master sword. It's funny that everybody goes to this shop at first. Well, not everybody. Nobody went to the shop. But there were a couple people that went to the shop. Look up. We need a oops. Oh. Oh my god. It's not what I'm meaning to do. Oop. Dang it. I just suck anyways, so what's the point? No. Oh my god. I can't jump up here. It's so dark too because I have my brightness down. It's not that okay, there we go. It's not that it's nighttime. It's just it's 10:33 in the morning. I'm connected to a TV. Oh shoot. That'll be kind of bad. Wow. Rising so high. Because that's the lowest point. It starts there. Oh my gosh. But that's how you know you're going to survive. That was just easy. That was an easy win. Anywhere. Literally anywhere. Oh my god. Yep, what about that? Okay, boarding. Oh shoot. What is it? Boss. I'm gonna, oops. I'm gonna go down here. Just in case. Pizza dude. What? Okay, I'm coming back up. Holy crap. Okay, it's the pizza dude and this crimson balrog. I need to get out of here. Um, how many are there? How many are there? Oh shoot. The pizza dude killed me. Where is the pizza dude? Well, that's just an easy win. You know what's darn people throwing pizza at you and flying brown angels. Oh no, what's up? Oh god, it's Illumina. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Whoever takes that sword, I'll give you it. It's mine. Don't you do it. Yeah, somebody did it. They didn't even know what happened. I don't know whoever is on the fall or that, or I think some people just do it. Like some people have zero streak and they just want, no, never mind, now zero streak. I could have done it. Don't touch the luminous sword. What sword? I don't think they had the luminous sword in the shop. I'm not sure. Oh god, I might want to be careful before I go try it. Crazy Roblox skin. Oh shoot, bro. I'm gonna. Whoa. Give you the hot dog. Okay. I didn't do anything to you. And you're just beating me up saying give me a hot dog. I feel afraid now. Coming over here. Well, that was cool. You just saw that? This thing goes faster than a speed coil. It's cool. Oh, that was neat. Okay. I got up here right before you. Alright, where's Neon Cat? No, shoot. I don't know how to say her name. She's gonna kill me now. Holy. Oh, frick. Did I just survive her? Hey. Hey. That's cool. I didn't even know where she was coming from. Oh, she turned everything to rainbow, did she? Wait, who destroyed the house? Was it Crazy Roblox? Dang it. course it was a crazy Roblox. I am going in here. But made it right in. Ghost, please. Oh, wait, is there a spawn thing up there? No. I don't think so. I'm gonna kill him. Wait, there is one up there. Wait. Ow. Ah. Ah. Did I kill one? Alright, did I win? I won. Only one person died. Wow, I think they just joined. I'm not sure. Warning. You're scaring me. You really are. Watch it be like a boss. It's gonna spawn right beside us. Oh my god, it is. Pac-Man Double Trouble. Coil News. Yes. He ain't gonna make it up here unless he jumps on that, boys. We safe. Never mind, we're not safe. We're never safe in this world. Pac-Man is high enough. I'm over here. Are you talking about Major? Huh? Are you talking to Major? No, I thought you were in your bedroom. Oh, no. Alright. So I'm okay. I didn't die. Alright. What if I do this? Would it make me go through it? Oh, dang it. Let's go for Green Hill Zone. No, it's not. Christmas no more. Let's go Panic Period. A pyramid. A period. Panic Period. Pyramid. My English is horrible tonight. Oh man. I'm stretching like crazy. So we got it. Oh, I was in somebody's skin. I was my skin. Alright. Take the Game Master's sword out because that's what's good. Speak coil. Game Master sword. Game Master sword. Speed coil. Game Master sword. Game Master sword. Game Master sword. Break time. Why did it just turn dark? Oh, I'm gonna run. Come on, Janet. Get back with me. Oh god. Pollux. 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 What was Pollux? Oh shoot. Oh shoot, buddy. I don't think it's gonna land on the house. It'll be fine. Yeah, it won't land on the house. We're fine. Why is it so dark? Bro, why is it so dark in here? I'm starting to get a little scared here. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be this dark. I'm gonna buy this just in case. Oops, wrong one. Who are you talking to? I'm making a video. Huh? I'm making a video. Don't say you're in my office. You just said it. Yeah, well, delete it. I don't know how I survived that. Wait. I didn't even try this gun yet. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Wait. If I break some enemies, bring me. can't kill a volcano, okay? Oh my gosh. Alright, that's a road. I couldn't kill anything there. I was just shooting at lava. Oh. Wait, what's on a leaderboard? Oh my god, I can't even do it. Hardest streak. That is missile strike. I can't even see above me, so. Wow. That helps so much because I couldn't even see above me. Because it was so dark up there. Actually, it's light again. What happened? Maybe the house is haunted. Wait, when you run over that, it makes that noise. Wait. Come back. Come back. Come back. Oh my gosh, you're gonna keep on stepping on it. Red Cliff Warriors? Oh, we better run then. Oh Lord. Red Cliff Warriors. I have a gun. Will that work? It just gets darker. I can't help that. What else do we got here? Give me something good. Murderers. I think they spawn. We should run then. Okay, I should really run. I heard that. Oh, it's right up there. Can you not see him? Oh, it's him. It's that guy.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video.
Don't post it.
Oh Lord. Oh, we have to destroy the noob. Forgot about that. I was trying to destroy the tick bag. Oh. Well, I'm about to go watch a movie.
Yeah, baby.
I'm not watching the movie. This guy get out there. It's too much noise. Let's play again. Okay, so we got noobs here. I'm sorry for all that background noise. She don't know where the office, and nobody knows where the office is, so I don't really care. But we got to play. I can barely see anything. Noob, 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 noob. Bro, tick defense. I did not mean to say that. Tick defense. Oh no, hell, I got that mixed up. Alright, so did we get it? We saved it. We blocked her. No, that's all. Bro, I need a video to be uploaded today, so Skyward. Ooh, no, that's too dark. Let's do Winterville. No, it's Skyward. I don't even know. I had the will to get there. If he said that he would kill me, I would make him really wish he did. It's back from the fire. Crawling back from the flames. Crawling back from the fire and I burn it down. Burn it down, down, down. Jesus, here we go. Okay. I hope he's singing it when I get copyrighted. No. Alright, we're taking a break. There is no house in this one, is there? No, alright. I don't think we can even jump on this. Can we? Please tell me we can. Are you? I'm starting to think I want to grow a beard in this game. Because look at me, I'm clean faced. I got a beard in the inventory, so I can just put on. See how good I look with that on. See if my character looks good with one or without. I have that Viking thing still.
Ethan, do you have anything dirty to wash?
No. Well, not really. Oh yeah, right there.
These are dirty, honey?
Uh-huh.
And this is dirty? This is dirty?
Yeah.
We wash it, so when you go to your dad, you'll have it. Oh, get it down.
Alright. The day of interruptions. Alright, we got a giant zombie. Can we not? Oh, I need it. Oh god. God. Shoot. I need to attack something. Oh shoot. Oh, what the heck is he spinning out? Okay. We are okay. A-okay. Oh. Why did I just spawn back with that? Is this supposed to be the house? Look, I got out of the house. The house is here. Alright. Mr. Happy. Right. Whoa. The rising acid part. This. Oh shoot, I'm lagging. So this ain't work. Oh, freaking. You freaking fricks. Dang it. Well, I'm dead. Because I'm lagging so bad. I can't jump with this. Oh, I did. Managed to do it. Well, I feel bad I survived. What? How do you survive? He has a lot of coins too. I don't even know what he has in his inventory. Alright, next disaster. What you can put on me? Just put it on me. I don't really care. Just put it on me. Caterpillar. Where's it at? Oh god. Alright, good. Oh, frickin'. That was going ground forever. Right, let's go. Why keep on? Just gonna keep it then. Alright. Oh god, mystery disaster. What do we got as a mystery? Is it anything on the spawn? Nope. Well, it is taking damage to people. is it? Can I say? It was nothing. I didn't even know what it was. Get this was it. Soccer balls. What? It's not no soccer balls. I'm pretty sure I would die by now. Press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button, press the button. Mother fricker. Alright, I made it. Yes, I got press the button. Yes, I didn't die. That's how you do it. Even the guy that has S streak, I killed him. We did it, guys. We did it. I pressed the button. Dang it. I did it for you. Oh god. Right. Next disaster. In 3, 2, 1. What? Wait, what? What? That was a... I didn't... Okay, wait. I didn't even know you could get in there. Who cares? I found a way to life. There's no way to get out. Yes, sir, this is right here. Bro, I didn't even know that was a thing. Alright, so that's good. Now I know. You were alone. Alright, what do we got here? Epic Katana. What's Epic Katana do? Are those the ones that fly out the sky? Yeah, it is. I need to get out of here. I really do. I'm coming in here. I'm not sure if they actually do come in here. But they do come near her. Can I jump over that? Oh, well, I guess that's gonna be the end of this video. Oh god. If you Vulcans liked it, make sure you smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. And hit the notification button so you don't miss daily streams of videos every single day by me. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.